Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm task and bot mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 2, C is minus 4, D is minus 2. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see, here we will discuss two rules, BOD mass and PEMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve the given expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. Now, here we have this equation, this expression, and we have to solve the using PEMDAS and BOD-MAS method. So first we have to solve the bracket. In the bracket we have here two brackets. First of all, we will solve first bracket, but inside the first bracket we have two operations, which is multiplication and we have the power. So now we will solve first the power. So here we will write 7 multiplied by 2 minus and 6 raised to power 2 means 6 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 36. Now, divided by this part, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 6 raised to power 2 means equals to 36. Now, move forward. Now, we will solve this bracket, but we have the another operation which is multiplication. So, we will solve this one. 7 multiplied by 2 equals to 14 minus 36 and divided by 7 plus 4 we will write as it is, and here we will give the reference 7 multiplied by 2 equals to 14. Now we have here 14 minus 36, so we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 20 minus 22 and divided by 7 plus 4 we will write as it is, and here we will give the reference 14 minus 36 equals to minus 22. Now we have another bracket. We will solve this one minus 22 and divided by 7 plus 4 equals to 11, and now we will give the reference 7 plus 4 equals to 11. Now we have two terms which are dividing each other with the divide signs. The minus 22 divided by 11 equals to minus 2. So the answer of the given expression is minus 2. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So that's it. The answer of this is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PEMDAS and BOD-MAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.